everyone, welcome back. I am going to Vermont, so I'm gonna get my hair just a little blow dry done. It's really gross out, which is unfortunate because it's probably gonna kill my hair. But I figured if I got a blowout, then I just don't have to even deal with it there. So that's what we're doing. So it's very long and straight right now, and we'll probably just get some light curls. Here it is. She did kind of play with it, which I don't usually do because it's just gonna fall out anyway. So I usually leave it, but it's cute. It's cute. Hello. We made it to the cabin. Bedroom. Bathroom. Lots of towels, washer dryer. Comes with shampoo and conditioner and body wash. Does not come with a pup. Kitchen. Living room. Pup. You're a pup. It's morning outside the cabin. It's quite foggy out. Oh no. Hello, pup. These are cider donuts from Common Man. They are located on 93, north and south, and we always get them going north. So they used to just have cinnamon sugar, and then they had maple glazed, and now they have chocolate and blueberry, and they're delicious. I decided to go with chocolate. It is Sunday and our first full day in Vermont, and so we're gonna go on a little hike of the property. There's like these little trails around the back. So I am wearing, this is my Athleta sweatshirt that I've had for years and years and years. It's the CYA hoodie. I don't know what they call it now. And then I got this jacket from Lululemon. What the heck is it called? Cross chill. So I got this for running, but I thought this would be good because it's actually kind of like a little bit rainy, and it's not super cold. So I thought this would be a good option. I just have a burn tank underneath. And then for bottoms, these are CRZ Yoga. These are the thermal leggings I got, I think last year or the year before, with pockets. So I'm gonna be wearing some boots. I also brought the new Ayuga kind of like cozy leggings. We might do some like cross-country skiing potentially, maybe. So I'm gonna save them for that because those are like a little bit water resistant. So I thought that would be a good option then. I'm not sure about these CRC yoga pants, but we're just gonna be hiking on the property, so not that big a deal. Hippity hop.
You can do it. You're a good girl.
Hip hop.
Good girl, come on. Good girl. Oh, yeah. Oh. Come on.
There's our cabin. Looks like you can ski out there. Very cool. Pup is ready for her little post-hike nap. I'm trying out this red light for my nose. It's supposed to make you not get colds. Roastery. We are going for coffee at the roastery. The roastery.
Would you just say go with the cold brew or like try one of the pour-overs cold? What would you recommend?
Oh, these are good. You guys have it. You can do it.
There we go. Moo cows. Just pretend it's snow. We're at the Trapp Family Lodge looking at the cows, and they're very cute. We are now at the Alchemist because it is raining out, so that's pretty much what you can do when it rains. Just come to Alchemist. This is like their beer garden area. It's fun.
Wild Child Strawberry. And speed. And cut.
We have returned back to the cabin for a short little while and a rest because we have dinner at 6:15 at adult time. I'm trying my cider donut cider. We're gonna have some crackers and cheese. We're probably gonna take a little pup out because she will need that. And just relax for a little bit. It's 4 o'clock, so we have a couple hours. We are about half an hour away, so we just need to get back for 6:15. It's gonna be great.
It's a lot.
Crackers and cheese. And a pup. Hello, Rue. Hello. Maybe a cider donut, maybe. We'll see. We are off to dinner at idle time. Luckily, we have a reservation because it seems very busy. French onion soup. It's Monday, and yesterday was really warm and rainy, and the snow is basically gone. Look at that. It's so different from yesterday. I can't even. And like over here, yesterday I took Holly out and she was like running all through the snow in here. It's just gone. That is so weird. Today we're going to the spa at the like Stowe Mountain Resort thing. I think it's called Spruce Peak. I don't know. We're gonna get massages at 6 o'clock. That was like the only time they had. But you get access to the spa all day. So like if you get services there. So we're gonna go like early and they have like a hot tub, a regular pool, which would be like a cold plunge. They have a gym. So we're gonna go early. There's like a steam room and everything. So we can like enjoy it. So I think we're doing that around like 3. And I think we're just gonna relax the rest of the day before that. I'm wearing my new Blogilates sweatsuit, the cloud hoodie. is so amazing. Also, fun fact, I made an Instagram reel and I put it on TikTok and YouTube, and on TikTok Cassie liked it, which was so exciting. That was so cool. Yay. So I don't know, that was really fun for me. But yeah, I'm just wearing, underneath I have like this really old pink Victoria's Secret v-neck, and then one of my Halara bras. I was saying in my Halara video, I wear this all the time because it's just so comfy. And then the pants, remember, have this like line down the front. I don't know, it might be sold out right now on Target, but I'm sure they'll restock if it is. But kind of living for this coziness right now. So I don't think we're really doing much. We're just gonna hang out and then, like I said, go to the spa later. So if anything fun happens, I will let you know. Exciting development. I've decided to organize my purse, so I just dumped everything out. This is my Longchamp purse, and I got this insert for it from Amazon a while ago that has like all these pockets. And this is my pile of junk. So I'm going to put everything back in. I've already put in my very favorite lip gloss. Okay, here's the update. If I were at home, I would have removed some of the items from some of the categories, but we'll do that when I get home. Ooh, the light. So these are all pens, so I will definitely whittle that down to just a couple. We have a couple pure protein bars. We always need to have a couple snacks. Lots of lip glosses. Notice they're like all Laneige here. And then my two favorite Kiko Milano ones. And then the middle, scrunchies, nail file, comb, two sunglasses. I only need one. And then we have some lens wipes and emergency and some more snacks. So like this will come out. And then this side will be my water bottle. And then over here is my Lululemon bag. We have arrived at Spruce Peak. We are going to the spa now. Let's get some water. I just walked on the treadmill for like 25 minutes, and now I'm back at the spa area. Here is my little locker, a little vanity, plenty of towels. Spa time. Okay, there's no one in here, so I'm just gonna show you really quick. This is the lodge ritual. So this is the sauna. That's the pool. There's a steam room. And then there's a cold shower. This is like a cold rain shower with some salts. Okay, so I'm supposed to rinse off and then go in the steam part. Here's the pool. It looks very busy out there. I'm heading up to the sanctuary to wait for my treatment. It's like a Good morning and happy New Year's Eve day. We lost a lot of snow, but we are gonna try to do a little hike, but we're gonna do probably the same hike we did yesterday, or no, the day before. So I probably won't show you all that much because I just want to enjoy. But look outside. The sun is actually shining, but look, there's like no snow there. That's crazy. Remember there was a guy like literally skiing around there? Yeah. Nope, gone. We were planning to cross-country ski here while we were here, so I'm kind of bummed because I've never done that and I really wanted to. So I'm wearing my cross-country skiing outfit. This is just a New Balance top, Lululemon Swiftly shirt, I think, something like that. And then I have on the Ayuga like warm cozy leggings with pockets. They have like fleece on the inside. Obviously not wearing slippers. That little girl is gonna come with us. So New Year's Eve day, so we are just gonna go into town after that and do not like shopping, but they have a Lake Champlain chocolate place that we want to go to. I also might stop at Dunkin' for the Sabrina Carpenter drink if I can. There's not one in Stowe though, so we'd have to go to like the town we're actually in right now is Morrisville, so we might go there because I really want to try it. So we'll do that. We have a reservation for dinner at 5:30 because that was all we could get, but we were just like happy to get something for New Year's Eve. And then we're also going to be doing our journaling. We have that compass like booklet that I did the live on, so we're going to do that, so that'll be really good. We've also been doing this puzzle, so we'll finish that later. It's completely different now. Basically all the snow has melted. Bloody moose. Update. Apparently they don't have the Sabrina Carpenter drink in Vermont, so we are forced to go to Lake Champlain Chocolates instead. Hot chocolate with whipped cream and marshmallows. Oh boy, that's good. We've decided to stroll downtown Stowe for a few minutes. I am wearing this mirror ball shirt that I got at Abercrombie, and then this v-neck from Lulu, and then I also have like shiny Align leggings from Lulu for our dinner tonight. We are now headed to dinner at the Whip. We finished our puzzle. Here are our truffles. Ooh. There they are. We have champagne with the topping and hazelnut, and then peppermint on the edge and milk chocolate. Happy New Year! We just packed up the car and we're gonna be leaving any minute. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe for more. Give this video a like if you liked it, and we'll see you in the next video soon. Have a great day. Stay positive. Bye!